In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Vercel Blob Storage. We're going to walk through the setup process inside the Vercel dashboard so you can create a blob store correctly and understand the key options along the way. This is especially useful if you want to store files like images, media assets, or documents directly in your Vercel project. To get started, open the Vercel dashboard and navigate to the project where you want to enable blob storage. Make sure you're inside the correct project before continuing, because the storage configuration will be tied to that specific deployment environment. Once you're in the project, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Storage tab. This is where Vercel lets you manage the different storage solutions connected to your app. If this is your first time setting it up, this area may look mostly empty, and that's completely normal. Next, choose the option to create a database, and then select Blob. Even though the button may say Create Database, what you're doing here is choosing Vercel's Blob Storage product, which is designed for storing files rather than traditional structured database records. After that, you'll need to set your access preference. You can choose public if your files need to be openly accessible, which is a common option for things like website images, videos, and other media assets. Or you can choose private if the files should only be available through authenticated access. This is a very important decision because it affects how your files will be used and protected later. Then choose your preferred geographic region. This matters for two main reasons. First, it can reduce latency by placing your files closer to your users. Second, it can help with data residency or compliance requirements depending on where your users or business operate. In general, pick the region that best matches your audience or legal needs. Once those settings are in place, click Create to provision your blob store. Vercel will handle the setup for you, and the process should only take a moment. After the store is created, Vercel automatically links the required environment variables to your deployed project, and that saves time and reduces manual setup, which is especially helpful if you want to avoid configuration mistakes. Just remember that environment variables are essential for allowing your application to communicate securely with the storage service. Finally, configure your environment and install the SDK in your project. This prepares your application to actually interact with Vercel Blob Storage in code. Once that's done, you're ready to begin uploading, retrieving, and managing files through your app. And that's the basic setup for using Vercel Blob Storage inside your Vercel project.